Hi, welcome. This is my train set. As you can see on my channel, I haven't made a lot of videos in a while because I've been doing schoolwork, big project. But I'm finally got back under here. I'm starting to make another train down there, as you can see. But I haven't really changed anything. It's been like a week since I've been down here last. And the cat lives down here, so she likes to go over there, but nothing was messed up, amazingly. But, so here's my train set. I started making the siding again. But why that week was, I found a mini tripod stand, which I can't really show you. But, so this way when I tape, it'll be easier for me to tape. So, I'll show you now. See, nice and steady. So I'll go get those cars over there for you. And I'd like to give a shout out to Pop-Up Camper 1260. He's one of my friends on YouTube. And if you have any comments on my train set, be free to comment. And if I don't like them, I'll just delete them all. See, a couple. Okay, now I'll move my camera to over here. I think I'll just move the angle on. Okay, now I'm doing my then connect on. Turn it back over there. Thought I connected. I guess not. Okay. I have to do a little. Okay, as you can see, I'll be down here. Okay. Oh yeah, it was derailed. Okay, now it's connected. It says I'm 23 on my account, but I'm really 13, so. That's what you're wondering why I look so young. Or old because I'm wicked tall. But amazingly, corrosion didn't build up on my track. But I'm not sure if I put one of my videos on that I made. It's called 50-footer cars. I just found out that I'm able to use 50-footer cars. I never used to be able to, but I did so much work to my track that I'm able to. So, there's my train set. And once this comes around, but these are all my trains. I've got one new one, I think, since my last video, which is right over there. It's Delaware and Hudson. I did have a what do they call them? A B thing, which is this. I'm not sure what you call them, so if you make a comment, you can actually tell me that if you want. But as you can see, there it is. Now I'm getting it to work because it's been sitting in my crawl space for about 20 years. My dad used to do these. These are actually some of his trains over here. As you can tell, most of these are, but some of them are mine that I bought. But there's my train set, and see you later. Bye.